All right, guys, I haven't done a video in a really long time. I wanted to get you guys up to date on the new XR15 voice remote. This is basically just like the other remote, the XR11. The only difference is these buttons right here they don't stick out, so you can't really feel them. You have to really feel them. A lot of the elderly people have trouble with this remote because you can't find the dang buttons on it. I mean, the front, the back, the up, the down, the select button's right here in the middle, and it's just really difficult for them to find. I do like the fact that this doesn't have an all power button. As you can see, it's just got a power and a TV input. The other remote has an all power, which turns off the box and the TV, which can screw a lot of stuff up because if you turn the box and the TV off and then you hit TV power, it turns TV back on and the box is off. So this one eliminates that issue. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to show you guys how to program this to your television. Basically what you do is you hold in this little button right here that looks like an eye, pretty much. Hold that in, and you hold in the Xfinity button at the same time. All right, watch the red light. It should turn green. All right, it's green. You let go of it. As you can see on my TV screen, it's prompting me to punch in 347. So on the remote, I push 3, 4, 7. All right, back to the TV. It should automatically go by itself. All right, would you like to control your Toshiba TV using your new remote? And then you just hit that little button that you can't find right there in the middle that's lit up. And right there is the select button. So we're going to hit it. We're going to select yes. Okay, I've already programmed this TV, so I don't need to punch in the code. But as you can see, this is going to tell you you're going to hold in the Xfinity button and the mute button. And when the light turns green, then you're going to punch in the code that it gives you on the TV. And this is going to do this for any model of TV. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold in these two buttons. Light's red. When it turns green, 10156 10156. See, my remote control flashed. My two green lights flashed. Then I'm going to try to volume up. Always volume up. As you can see, I'm voluming up, and it's working on the TV. So then we hit the select button, which is that little circle in the middle again, and we select all set. I know it's hard to see on my TV because it's old-fashioned. And then you select again. It works. It's going to ask you want to control your audio device receiver using this new remote. And you're going to go over with this little invisible arrow right here. You're going to go over. Not now. You don't want to do that because you don't have a sound bar. And you're all set. And that's all it takes. And then just hit exit to get out of all this other jive. Now everything is now programmed and you are good to go. And this will work on just about any model of TV. Normally, when you do this, it'll pop up your model. If it doesn't pop up the model of your TV, it should pop up a screen with like a bunch of alphabets on it, and just scroll over and select the letter of the model of your TV, and then go down. And once you go down, let me turn this down for a second. Once you go down, you'll select the model of your television, and then you hit OK, and it'll give you a bunch of codes to select from, and just try those codes, and it will walk you through step by step how to program the new XR15 wonderful Comcast remote. Thank you guys. Have a